Alrighty, we're here at Greenway, Wetherill Park. The car is ready, it's off the trailer. We're around the back, we're about to drive through and park up. Boy, I am keen. We're good to go for the night. So now, guys, there's a bunch of food stalls here, so we'll probably go grab some grub and enjoy the night. But yeah, for now, enjoy the video, cue the music. Massive shout out to the Cars Under the Stars crew. Bernard and Barney, you guys absolutely put on a killer event every time. Massive shout out to you boys and the team who runs it. That was an absolute insane of a night. The quality of cars, the amount of people, it was just an awesome night, guys. If you haven't been, make sure you get out to a Cars Under the Stars. They pretty much travel all up the East Coast, so definitely jump onto that. I would also like to say a massive thank you to everyone that came up, took photos of the cars, got photos with us, had a chat with us, even to come out to even see us. That was pretty awesome to see. So yes, a massive thank you to yous. I can't thank yous enough for this. Yeah, it was good to see the support, and can't wait to get out there, smash them sets, and keep it going. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment on stuff that you want to see, and yeah, we'll continue with these videos. Alright guys, catch you on the next one.